It's raining in UAE. Look at the road, oh, it's wet. It's raining. Oh. Maybe this yesterday or... Hello guys. Look at the road. Wet. Oh. That is why cloudy in Pagi yesterday because it's gonna rain. Maybe this was last night. Yeah, we gonna go up na. Look at the road. It's so wet. Hey, it's raining in UAE. That is why yesterday is pagi and cloudy. Oh, the road is very wet. It's raining, right? I did not notice that it's raining. Maybe that's early morning today or last night. I did not notice the rain. If we're not going out, we don't know that it's raining. The road is very wet. The water still there in the drainage. Very seldom the UAE is going to rain.